In this video, we're going to demonstrate the fire alarm system. Right here we have a standard first alert smoke alarm that we typically put in our homes. These are all pre-wired to the main electric system, so they're always working. They do have a battery backup in case the power goes out. You absolutely have to have that in order for these to operate. A few of the maintenance tips on these: you do have the battery backup as I discussed. You have a little tab on the side right here. If you push in that tab ever so slightly, that door will roll out and you'll notice a 9-volt battery in there. It is recommended by the fire department that you replace these at least once a year, and it is good practice. You notice a little beep right there if the battery is out, letting you know that you need to have a battery in there. If the battery is running low, it will also sense that as well, and you'll hear the same chirping noise, and you definitely want to get that replaced. If you look straight up in the unit, you will see a green light, which is kind of hard to see. You got to line yourself up just right. If it needs a battery or you have some sort of detection, you'll have a red light on next to it. That way you can tell which one is chirping. If you do have one that keeps sounding off and triggering the system, sometimes the drum will go bad, or you'll have dust within the drum, which is the sensory piece here. What you can do is grab the entire unit, twist it off of the mount so it drops, and you will notice 3 wires in the back. Simply disconnect that by pulling that wire and disconnecting that smoke detector. That will stop that from triggering the rest of the system. That goes right back up in there just like that. There is a test button right here. It does say test weekly. Don't know that you necessarily need to test them weekly, but if you're ever in doubt or you need to know that they're working and daisy chaining in, so if one goes off, they all sound off together. For instance, this mechanical room, if there's smoke that is detected, this one will be the first one that goes off, and then it will chain in with the rest all the way upstairs to let you know that there's a detection. Just press and hold this button right here, and it will trigger the entire alarm system, and you should hear all of them start to sound off in order. These smoke detectors are a little bit different. You will notice that it does have gray lettering on these, and it has a separate port in front labeled CO. On each floor, we do have one carbon monoxide combo detector. That is code. They operate exactly the same as the standard. However, if you do have a fire detection, it will give you that signature chirp or alarm. If there is a carbon monoxide detection, it will talk to you. It will say there's been a detection, please leave your home. Exact same features as the other, with a battery backup with a door on the side and test button here. And of course you can remove it by twisting this unit and disconnecting the wires from the back if you have a malfunction.